Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about a very new topic and very interesting topic, that is blood relation. Okay, so let us just start with the topic. Okay class, before we start, let me tell you something. Blood relation, the questions based on blood relation are very interesting. But the trickiest part here is you have to read the questions very nicely. If you don't read it nicely, it will become like a puzzle. But if you read it slowly, nicely, things will get clear and you will be able to solve it nicely and quickly. So, let us start. Read the question. First question. If P is brother of Q and L is sister of Q's son, so sister of Q's son means Q's daughter. That means L is Q's daughter, right? So if L is Q's daughter and P is Q's brother, then what is the relationship between P and L? P is uncle of L, right? So that is our answer. How is P related to L? P is uncle of L. That is the answer. Look here, same explanation is given. P is brother of Q. L is sister of Q's son. Sister of Q's son equals to L is Q's daughter. Sister of one son means that person, that girl is Q's daughter only. So what is the relation between Q's daughter and Q's brother? Q's brother will be uncle of Q's daughter. Clear? So our answer is therefore P is uncle of L. Clear? If you did not understand, read the question, pause it and rewind and listen. It is very simple. It's just that you have to listen to it since it is very new to you. Our second question, let us read it again. Sunita is the only daughter of Sunny's mother. Read it once again. Sunita is the only daughter of Sunny's mother. Sunny's mother, only daughter of Sunny's mother. Now, who will be the daughter of Sunny's mother? Daughter of Sunny's mother will be Sunny's sister, right? Read, Sunita is only daughter of Sunny's mother. That means Sunny's mother has two children. One is Sunita and another is Sunny. Now we will ask, ma'am, it is only daughter written. Yes, it is said only daughter, but not only child. If it was written that Sunny is only child of Sunny's mother, then it would have been something else. But here it is said that Sunita is the only daughter. If it is said only daughter, that doesn't mean that Sunita's mother doesn't have any other child. It means that there is only one girl child Sunita's mother has. So, read it again. Sunita is the only daughter of Sunny's mother. So, daughter of Sunny's mother means Sunny's sister. So, how is Sunny related to Sunita? If Sunita is Sunny's sister, then Sunny is Sunita's brother. It is as simple as that. Look at the diagram. Sunny's mother, and then Sunny's mother has two children. One is Sunny and another is Sunita. Sunita is daughter of Sunny's mother, that is Sunny's sister. So our answer is Sunny is brother of Sunita. Clear? Okay, our third question. Let us read it. R is only sister of T. Okay, so R and T may be sister and sister. T, we don't know whether T is a boy or T is a girl. But we know R is a girl because R is sister of T. So R and T can be either sister and sister or sister and brother, right? Now Q is T's father. So if Q is T's father, Q is R's father also. And S is wife of Q. So if S is wife of Q, then S is mother of R and T. So Q and S are husband and wife. Q is T's father. That means Q and S are parents. That is father and mother of R and T. Now let us read the question. How is Q related to R? So how is Q related to R? Q is father of R. Now let us go through the steps for the explanation. S is wife of Q. T is son of Q. Therefore, S and Q are mother and father of T respectively. Respectively means S is mother and Q is father. Now, third statement, R is only sister of T. Therefore, S and Q are also mother and father of T respectively. Right? Now, therefore, Q is father of R. Let us go through it once again. If you have any doubt, read it nicely. R is sister of T. That means if R is sister of T, that means R is a girl. But we do not know whether T is a boy or T is a girl. So, if R is sister of T, then T can be either brother of R or sister of R. That we don't know. But R and T are either sister and sister or sister and brother. This much clear? Next, Q is T's father. If Q is T's father and R is sister of T, then Q is also R's father. Third statement, S is wife of Q. If Q is T's father and S is wife of Q, that means S is mother of R and T. Clear? Now read the question. How is Q related to R? Q is father of R. Okay, now let us read the fifth question and solve it. Anita is mother of Rekha. If Anita is Rekha's mother, then Rekha is Anita's daughter. Purnima is Rekha's grandmother. Now look here. Anita is Rekha's mother and Purnima is Rekha's grandmother. So, who is Purnima? And how is Purnima related to Anita? Purnima is mother of Anita. Then only she can be Rekha's grandmother, right? Our mother's mother is our grandmother. Rekha's mother is Anita. Rekha's grandmother is Purnima. So Purnima is mother of Anita. Now let us read. Anita is Rekha's mother. Purnima is Rekha's grandmother. Therefore, Purnima is Anita's mother. So our answer is Anita is Purnima's daughter. Here it is asked, how is Anita related to Purnima? As it is written, how is Anita related to Purnima? Your answer will be daughter. If the question was, how is Purnima related to Anita? Then it would have been mother. Clear? Here Anita's relation to Purnima is asked. How is Anita related to Purnima? Who is Anita of Purnima? Anita is Purnima's daughter. So that is our answer. Now let us read the sixth question. What is the question? Gokul pointing at Krishna told, I am his. His means Krishna's only sister's brother. Krishna's only sister's brother is Gokul. That means how is Gokul and Krishna related? They both are brothers. Because Krishna's only sister's brother, Krishna's only sister means who is Krishna through his sister? Brother, right? And Krishna's sister's brother will be also Krishna's brother. So what is the question? How is Gokul and Krishna related? Gokul and Krishna are brothers. Look how easy it is. As you read, you are solving it. Now go for the explanation. What is the explanation written? Gokul is Krishna's only sister's brother. Therefore, Gokul is Krishna's brother. My only sister's brother will be my brother also, right? Clear? So, what is our answer? Gokul and Krishna are brothers. Okay. Since we have learnt about blood relations today, so now I am giving you a few questions for you to solve. Solve the questions and give the answers in the comment section. I want to see each and one of you and every one of you to answer. Answer the questions and let me know your answer in the comment section. Okay. Here are a few more questions. Read it nicely. Read the questions over and over again. More you read, easier it will be for you to solve. And as I said before, solve it and let me know the answer in the comment section. I will check the comment section that how many of you have answered. Okay. So read it nicely. Go through the questions, solve it and answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Go through the video again. If you have any problem, ask me in the comment section. I will try and answer all your questions. Till then, practice these sums, practice and go through everything. Okay? Bye-bye and take care.